Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 4 best adult folding bathtub on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. RRXH0800 Adult Folding Bathtub. The RRXH0800 Adult Folding Bathtub is a revolutionary product that offers a rejuvenating escape for adults seeking tranquility. Its unique folding design makes it easy to store and set up in any room, balcony, or on a weekend getaway. Designed for adults, the bathtub is spacious enough to provide a comfortable soak, allowing for a relaxing soak after a long day. The absence of a lid adds convenience, making it easy to access without cumbersome covers. The RRXH0800 is eco-friendly, made from cloth material, and comes fully stocked with features to cater to your relaxation needs. Originating from mainland China, the product is renowned for its commitment to producing top-notch goods. This makes it a must-have for anyone seeking a relaxing escape. Number 3. QXYS001 Adult Folding Bathtub. The QXYS001 Adult Folding Bathtub is a luxurious and eco-friendly steam bath designed for adults. It offers a comfortable and spacious bathing experience, providing ample room for relaxation after a long day. The model number QXYS001 signifies a commitment to quality and precision, making it a reliable and well-crafted product. The bathtub comes with a lid, keeping the bath water warm and preventing dust and debris from entering when not in use. This feature adds a touch of sophistication to the bathing ritual. The QXYS001 is made from eco-friendly cloth material, minimizing its carbon footprint, while providing a durable and reliable bathing solution. Made in mainland China, the QXYS001 embodies the excellence associated with products made in mainland China. The versatile tub type allows for customization of relaxation time, transforming your bathing routine into a personalized spa-like retreat. The QXYS001 is a must-have for those seeking both relaxation and eco-friendly solutions. Number 2. LISM Adult Folding Bathtub. The LISM Adult Folding Bathtub is an innovative, self-care product designed for adults, offering a comfortable and spacious bathing experience. Its cover is lid-free, allowing easy access without any restrictions. The product is an inflatable luxury bath made from soft, durable plastic material, providing a cozy and supportive environment. LISM is committed to sustainability, using eco-friendly materials to minimize its environmental impact. The bathtub is a testament to the renowned craftsmanship of mainland China, showcasing the dedication to precision and quality. Originating from mainland China, the LISM brand is synonymous with quality and innovation. The bathtub is versatile, accommodating different bathing preferences, from quick soaks to long, luxurious baths. The LISM Adult Folding Bathtub is a testament to the brand's commitment to user satisfaction and innovation. Number 1. OMGD Adult Folding Bathtub. The OMGD Adult Folding Bathtub is a versatile and eco-friendly bath barrel designed for adults. It offers a spacious and comfortable bathing experience, catering to the needs of grown-ups seeking a soothing retreat after a long day. The bathtub's lidless design allows for easy entry and exit, and its open design ensures effortless cleaning and maintenance. It is a general bath barrel that adapts to your preferences and is eco-friendly, using environmentally conscious materials. Originating from mainland China, OMGD is a brand that values innovation and quality. This folding bathtub is space-efficient and practical, making it an ideal choice for those with limited bathroom space. The brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation is evident in its precision and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.